Alright, what's up guys? So, welcome back to another video.
Yeah.
This time, he got, what is it? Matte black vinyl.
Vinyl film and knifeless tape.
So basically that one has a little string that you can just pretty much put under the vinyl, just tear it off. So it's easier for you to get on curves and all this stuff.
Yeah, it's a car detailing tape, so.
Yeah, so what we're gonna do is we're actually going to make this part of his BMW matte black, so then it can't accent the tips, and then you need to clean the tips, bro.
Yeah.
And then that way, you know, it can look good for cheap. How much was it?
So the tape was $10 and the film was like, I think like 10, about 10 as well.
So
10 as well.
About like $20-25 you can do this mod to any part of your car by yourself, so it doesn't have to be the actual bottom part, or you know, like the exhaust part. It can be you know, the whole entire trunk if you want to, if you're into that. But yeah, let's get started.
Let's try this out. Alright, so I'm pretty sure like just gotta go like this. Wow, it's so like long though.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Alright guys, so this is what's happening right now. So he had to go get scissors because he ordered way more film than he needed. I mean, that's in like longer. So we're gonna cut it right here and use the one that's the smaller part. That way we can fit it better instead of just kind of guessing where it lands. This guy is crazy with the vinyl. That's so carbon fiber vinyl, man. How much was that?
That one was like, this one was like a 5 by 10 foot roll, so it's pretty big, but it's probably like $40.
Oh, okay, so it's not that bad. So
yeah,
for 40,
Amazon.
There you go. Not sponsored, but all right, let's cut this thing, bro.
Let's do this.
Just stab it,
Pull it up, bro.
and just squeeze it and cut it.
Yeah. There you go. Got it, bro. I believe in you. There you go.
So I'm gonna make it try to kind of clean. So
I mean, either way, you're not gonna use
you're not gonna use the top
the
or the
whole
bottom.
thing. Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Fuck it.
Let's get to it.
So first, you have to lay the film tape where you want to cut it and leave a little extra hanging, so you can cut it and pick it out at the end. Alright? Just a little extra right there. Get tight in there. Later when I get back to it.
You can fix it later, bro.
Not like push it in.
Oh.
Yeah. Just gotta get it in there first. Oh, that was not what I wanted. How successful this will be. Honestly, I don't know, this tape is gonna be perfect.
Alright, bro, so on a scale of 1 to 10, how easy you think this job is?
This is probably gonna be like a 4.
A 4? You
Yeah,
think?
to make it look clean and everything, I think it's gonna be like a 4. I mean, it's pretty easy to do, but I think like tucking it under and then making sure it doesn't look too obvious.
Here, let me show you guys what he means by tucking it under. Give me a second. I don't know why I said give me a second. We're not live, bro.
Oh yeah. I'll show you a clip.
So this is what he means by tucking it under. So you have the tape right here, and then it has to come all the way down. This is the lower part of the bumper. Then it comes around under, and it has to be behind this part, so it kind of hooks into it. That way, whenever you're like on the freeway or something, it doesn't just slap out. It has something to grab onto. Plus, to take out the bubbles from the vinyl.
Yeah. Oh fuck, dude.
What?
I'm gonna have to do that too. Yo.
You didn't remember that?
Yo, I don't know if we can do this.
What do you mean? What do you mean you don't know if we...
Wait, but now we need like a heat source because I need to bring the heat gun too. If I reuse the vinyl and like stretch it out,
No,
I need a
bro,
heat gun.
yeah, that's if you're gonna stretch it out, but you have enough vinyl to just do it like that.
No, but like with the bubbles, you can stretch out the bubbles.
Oh yeah, that's
Yeah,
right.
you pull it and it doesn't get bubbles when you stretch it like that. So I need to use the heat gun.
Does your grandma have a hair dryer?
No, I have a heat gun.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Alright, fuck it. Let's do it. We already started. So I need a squeegee and heat gun.
Alright guys, so the other thing is that it all comes down to prep. Just prep your work very well, and you're not gonna have any problems with like the lines too crooked, or where's the lighting? There it is. So you're not gonna have any problem pretty much with the line looks crooked. All you gotta do is just have it straight where it goes on the line, like that. And then, you know, you got your vinyl, your tape, and then you have your scissors as well. I don't know if you saw that. There you go. So you got your vinyl, scissors, tape. He's also gonna get a squeegee, and he's gonna get a heat gun. So to make the job easy. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video if you're liking it so far, and don't forget to comment down below what your thoughts are on putting vinyl on cars, and if you are up for it or against it. Alright guys, so the job took about 15 to 20 minutes. It wasn't that bad. We only had like a little hiccup, as you can see on the video. The little part right here didn't want to cooperate, so we kind of like cut around it and then bend and whatever. But here's the reveal for it. Hold on, let me
Take off this part right here. Alright. I think we could have gotten away with carbon fiber. Maybe next time.